This is an intelligent, voice-controlled animal pick-and-place robotic system. But how does it actually work? The setup has three main parts: the LLM, the Raspberry Pi, and the Arduino. The laptop and the Pi are connected through the MQTT protocol using Mosquito over Wi-Fi while connecting to the Arduino using the typical serial communication. At the center is the GUI running on the Pi, showing 6 positions A to F that match the real-life setup and allowing changes to animal locations. Whenever a position is changed, each update is sent to the middleman script, published and displayed live on the GUI. On the laptop side, the LLM receives the request. You can type or speak a prompt.
Move the animals from biggest to smallest.
The LLM processes the command with llama, generates new positions in a JSON format, and sends them back to the Raspberry Pi. Once the data reaches the Pi, it's passed through scripts that forward it to the command processor, which breaks commands into simple moves. For example, if this is the current and target positions, to swap the elephant and the lion, the command processor first moves 1 to a temporary spot, C to A, then executes the sequence B to C and A to B to match the target position. While the arm is moving, a busy message prevents new commands. For each step, the Arduino translates the command into servo motions. It moves to the top of the source position, lowers to grip the object, lifts it back to the top, moves to the top of the destination, then lowers again to place the object. This top-first approach prevents collisions. After every move, the GUI updates the positions and sends the status back to the LLM, keeping everything synchronized in real time. When all moves are complete, a done message is sent, updating the GUI and the LLM. So the system is ready for the next prompt. So that's the Braccio, a robot with eyes, a brain, and muscles all working together.